Today's episode is Knife Winner pulls the fire alarm during Microphone Winner's School Lovers Assembly / Grounded.
Kids, Microphone Winner is going to 7th grade and she is moving to the PGL school. That means we are going to her School Lovers Assembly. No, I don't want to go to the School Lovers Assembly. I want to go to Pump It Up. Knife Winner, we are not going to Pump It Up. We are going to the School Lovers Assembly. No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, fuck off. Fine. Now let's go to the School Lovers Assembly. No.
Let I check my watch. I think it is 7:30 a.m. We will arrive at 8:40 a.m.
Okay.
At 8:40 a.m.
We're now here. Uh-oh, not again. Knife Winner, shh. You are making me late. God damn it. Shut up. Now let's go to the school.
At 9 a.m.
Oh look. The show is starting.
Now it's time to say goodbye to my friends. Moving on, with after many years of being in school.
Baseball Winner, can I go to the toilet please? Yes you may, but be quick. Okay. Since I'm here, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Now let's get out of here.
Wah! Baseball Winner, help me. I'm in distress.
It's okay. We will be outside.
After they evacuate the building. Whoa. That was loud.
I knew it.
Attention students and staff. This is not a fire drill. I repeat, this is not a fire drill. We have checked the security footage that Knife Winner pulled the fire alarm. So, you may go back in.
Knife Winner, come here. You are in big trouble. Knife Winner, I heard from the end fire drill announcement that you have pulled the fire alarm. Is that true? Yes, Dad. It is true. Knife Winner, how dare you pull the fire alarm during the school leaders assembly? What's IT? We're grounded, 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 grounded for 496969649202030599696959329 years when we get home.
When they got there.
Go to your room now.
At 9 p.m. Woo, I guess if I get picked up and drop me home, it is past my bedtime.
Me too.